space project, sir?
Yeah, so thank you very much. So New Space Research and Technologies, we are leading developer of cyber, physical and robotic systems. So what you see in our stall is a lot of aerial robots that are expected to now push the ambit of modern warfare. So right from the end, we have robots that do a lot of surveillance and defensive operations, and followed by drones that do offensive operations, gather intelligence up to 1,000 kilometers and being able to fly close to 4-5 hours, carry large payloads and do attack operations as well. Right? So what you see here is a bunch of loiter munitions. It can go 100 kilometers into the enemy territory and carry 7 kg bomb and importantly can fly on its own without a pilot. It can do its own decision making and then do an attack on the enemy. Similarly, coming forward, we have mothership drones that will carry smaller drones, and the smaller drones will carry out kamikaze or suicide missions in a radius of 5 kilometers. So therefore what we see right now is that it's not one drone that is doing everything. It is many drones that are doing small things, but without the man, without the human. So they are a robot army, right? So if you come forward, a helicopter here, this is for high altitude applications. It can do 6 hours of flight and carry 40 kilos. It can carry, instead of missiles, it can carry other drones. And the drones will further go into enemy territory and carry out attack operations. At the top, you see a loitering munition. This is a drone that can carry 40 kg of bomb, can travel 1,000 kilometers. It's equivalent to a missile that is fired, but only thing is that this is intelligent. It can fly on its own. It can find its own path to reach the enemy. Right? Launched a new concept. It's called Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu is a loyal wingman. What does it mean? It means that the fighter jet is now accompanied by these drones. These drones create a protective layer and ensure that the man, the pilot and the drone, the fighter aircraft is safe. Right? It can do 1,000 kilometers. It has a jet engine and therefore can carry a warhead. It can do ISR. It can do electronic warfare and therefore it's a multi-role aircraft.
Your name, sir? Your name?
My name is Ashwin Shastri.
This is a basically Indian company, sir?
So we are homegrown. We design everything in India and we make in India. We are based out of Bangalore.
From?
Sorry?
Which state?
We are based out of Bangalore.